Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to online class. Today we are going to see the topic mensuration in this self-practice 12F. First question, how much will a metallic cylinder of radius 14 meter and height 3.5 meter cost if the metal used in making this cylinder is rupees 100 per cubic meter? So we want to find the volume of metallic cylinder. Then at the same time we need to find how much cost for making this metallic cylinder per cubic meter is it's 100 rupees. So height of the cylinder is 3.5 meter. Radius it's equal to 14 meter. Volume of metallic cylinder it's equal to pi r square h. Pi value is 22/7 into radius is 14 meter. So 14 meter into 14 meter, because r square radius we want to write 2 times. Then multiply height is 3.5 meter. So 7 table 1s are 7 2s are 14. 22 into 2 is 44 meter into 14 meter into 3.5 meter. 44 into 14 is 616 meter square into 3.5 meter. 616 into 3.5 multiply, you will get 2156 meter cube. So this is the volume of metallic cylinder. So cost is per meter cube is rupees 100, means what is the cost for 2156 meter cube? So we want to find out cost of per meter cube, it's equal to rupees 100. Then we have 2156 meter cube. So cost of 2156 meter cube is 2156 into 100. If you are multiplying 100, you will get 2,15,600 rupees. So cost of 2156 meter cube is 2,15,600. Second question, the radii of the base of two cylinder or in the ratio is 3:4 and their height or in the ratio 4:3. Find the ratio of their volumes. So they are given two cylinder radius as well as the height. We want to find the ratio of their volumes. So ratio of radius of first cylinder is, it is given in ratio format. So by using variable we have to consider, let R1 is equal to 3x, radius of 2 is equal to 4x. So this is R1, R2. Then height also it's given in ratio format. This is H1 and H2. Same, height of first cylinder is 4y, height of second cylinder is 3y. So use different variable and consider. Then we want to find the ratio volume of cylinder 1 divided by volume of cylinder 2. But both the ratio we want to compare. So volume of cylinder formula is pi r square h. So here given two volumes, we want to find the two volumes ratios. So mention R1 and H1 by by R2 square H2. So pi we can cancel. So R1 is 3x whole square into H1 is 4y by R2 is 4x whole square into 3y H2. So 3x square is 3 3s are 9, x square into 4y by 4 square is 16, x square into 3y. So it is y. So same variable we can cancel. And 9 table 1s are 3 3s are 9, 4 table 1s are 4 4s are 16. So the ratio of their volumes is 3 divided by 4. So answer is 3:4. So the volume of the ratios is 3:4. Next question. The height of two cylinders of equal volumes or in the ratio is 2:3. Find the ratio of the radius. So height is, it is given in ratios, that is 2:3. We want to find the ratio of the radius. So both the cylinders are equal volume. So volume of cylinder 1 is equal to volume of cylinder 2. So both the volumes are equal. It is given. So height is given in ratio format. So let's consider h1 is equal to 3x, h1 is equal to 2x, and h2 is equal to 3x. So we want to find the ratio of the radius. So both the volumes are equal. So pi r1 square h1, it's equal to pi r2 square h2. So both the side is equal pi value, we can cancel. So r1 square radius value we want to find out. So write as it is, r1 square h1 is 2x, it's equal to r2 square into h2 is 3x. So radius you can bring this side from left to right. If you are coming this side, it should be multiply. Same 2x, if you are going that side, it's a division. So r2 in our right hand side, move on to in your left hand side, it will come divide. So r1 square by r2 square, it's equal to 3x. 2x if you are moving your right hand side, means it should be division divided by 2x. So we can cancel xx. So r1 square is by r2 square is equal to 3 by 2. We want to find only r1 and r2. So we want to take square root of both the side. If you are taking square root of both the side, means the square will cancel. So r1 by r2 is equal to square root of 3 by square root of 2. The ratio of the radius, therefore the ratio of the radius root 3 ratio root 2. Next question, find the number of coins. Coins 1.5 centimeter in diameter and 0.2 centimeter is thickness, which should be melted to form a right circular cylinder of height 10 centimeter and diameter 4.5 meter. So here we want to find the number of coin. Coin diameter is 1.5 centimeter and height is 0.2 centimeter. Then it should be melted to form a right circular cylinder. Cylinder height is 10 centimeter and diameter is 4.5 centimeter. So first calculate both the volume, coin volume and cylinder volume calculate. So number of coins we want to find out. So cylinder volume divided by coin volume. Then you can divide, you will get the number of coins. So first find coin volume. So diameter is 1.5 centimeter. So radius is equal to 1.5 by 2. Height is 0.2 centimeter. So volume of coin is equal to pi r square h 22 by 7 into radius is 1.5 by 2 into 1.5 by 2 into height is 0.2. So 2 table we can cancel 1s are 11s are 1s are 0.1. So 15 into 15, that means 1.5 into 1.5 multiply, then 11 multiply, after getting answer multiply with 0.1, you will get 2.475 divided by 7. Next, calculate volume of cylinder. It's equal to pi r square h. Pi value is 22 by 7 into radius is, diameter is given, so radius is 4.5 divided by 2 into 4.5 divided by 2 into height is 10 centimeter. So 2 table 1s are 11s are, again 2 table 1s are 5s are. So multiply 11 into 4.5 into 4.5 into 5. Multiply only the numerator number, you will get 113.75 divided by 7. So next we want to find out number of coins. So both the volume we can divide. Number of coins is equal to volume of cylinder divided by volume of coin. 2.475. So volume of cylinder is 113. 113.75 divided by 7. So divide by volume of coin is, so if you are going to numerator, it's multiply. So 7 by 2.475. So 7 we can cancel. So denominator we have it in decimal number. So we want to change into whole number, means multiply by 1000. Because denominator we have 3 decimals. 2.475 into 1000. So 113. So 2 decimal will goes, means here 3 zeros we have, 2 zeros will goes. So 75 and 0 divided by multiplying 2.475 into 1000 means 2475. So both the term we can cancel in 5 table. So once if you are cancelling 5 table, you will get 2 2s are 5, again 2 2s are 5, then again it's 10, 2 2s are 5, 7 5s are 35, then 5 5s are 25, 0 divided by 4 5s are 20, 9 5s are 45, balance is 2, 5 5s are 25. Again we can cancel in 5 table. 4 5s are 20, balance is 2, again 22, 4 5s are 20, then it's 27, again 5 5s are 25, again 5 5s are 25, 0 divided by 9 5s are 45, balance is 4, again 45, 9 5s are 45. So 99 table we can cancel 1s are 450s are. So number of coins is, it's equal to 450. Next question, the metal with the volume of 1496 centimeter cube is used to cast a pipe of length 28 centimeter. Its internal radius is pipe is 8 centimeter. So find outer radius. So the volume is given and internal radius is 8 centimeter. Height is it's a 28 centimeter. Find outer radius. Volume it's equal to 1496 centimeter cube. Height is equal to 28 centimeter. Internal radius it's equal to 8 centimeter. Outer radius we want to find out. So it's a pipe. So volume of the hollow pipe formula is volume of the hollow pipe it's equal to pi h r square minus r square. Capital R is it outer radius, small r is inner radius. So volume is given 1496 centimeter cube is equal to 22 by 7 into height is 28. R square capital R we want to find out, that is outer radius minus inner radius is 8 square. So 7 table 1s are 4 7s are 28. So 1496 it's equal to 22 into 4 is 88 into R square the minus 8 square is 8 8s are 64. So it is multiply if you are coming this side, division 1496 divided by 88 it's equal to R square minus 64. So 2 table we can cancel. 4 2s are 8, again 4 2s are 8 here. 7 2s are 14, 4 2s are 8, balance is 1, 8 2s are 16. Again we can cancel in 2 table. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, balance is 1, 14, 7 2s are 14, again 4 2s are 8. Again we can cancel in 2 table. 1s are, 1s are, 1s are, balance is 1, 17, 8 2s are 16, balance is 1, 7 2s are 14. Then 11 table we can cancel. 1s are 11, 1s are 11, balance is 7, 17. So 17 is equal to R square minus 64. So minus 64 if you are bringing that side, plus 64. 17 plus 64 is equal to R square. So R square is equal to 7 plus 4 is 11. 1 is balance, 6, 7, 81. So R is equal to square root of 81 is 9. So outer radius is 9 centimeter. So therefore R is equal to 9 centimeter. Twelfth question. A rectangular paper length is 44 centimeter and width is 6 centimeter is rolled to form a cylinder of height equal to the width of the paper. Find the radius of the cylinder. So rolled. So we want to find the radius of the cylinder. So height of the cylinder is equal to the width. So cylinder height is 6 centimeter. So cylinder is rolled through the length. So the circumference of the circle also it's equal. That is circumference of the circle part of the cylinder is 44 centimeter. So rectangular paper. So area of rectangle is equal to, both that area is equal to curved surface area of the cylinder. So area of rectangle it's equal to curved surface area of cylinder. So area of rectangle formula is length into breadth. It's equal to curved surface area formula is 2 pi RH. So length is 44 centimeter into breadth is 6 centimeter. it's equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into radius we want to find. So write as it is. Then height is, it's equal to the width, so 6. So keep it radius alone this side. So bring all that side. 44 into 6 into division, if you are moving that side, multiply, divided by 2 into 22 into 6. 6 cancel. 22 table 1s are 2s are 2 2s cancel. So radius is equal to 7 centimeter. Therefore radius of the cylinder is it's equal to 7 centimeter.